Right, so here we go. This is the game, everybody. Now, as you can see, Leatherface required to start. We all sit here until one of us three unreadies up and changes to Leatherface. This is all readied up, look. We're all readied up. The one behind me here, and everybody's readied up. No, we just wait. This is the game. No the fucking running about and blood and chainsaws and all that. Oh, Sissy's... Is Sissy off, or is Sissy changing to Leatherface? Readied up. No change. All the time in the world. How's it going, everybody? Are yous alright? How's your day been so far? Nobody's budging. I could wait all day and all night. What's that? Hover, Leatherface, then switch off it. Like this. Unready. Leatherface. Then back to that. Change to Leatherface. And then at 10, change back. And ready up. I looked at it and I went, no, I'm happy with Cook, thanks. Thank you very much for checking, though, what I'm comfortable with. I appreciate that, thank you. This is honestly the game to me. And I've said it before, and I'm fucking serious. This is more entertaining and engaging than the actual game. People just go like that. No, oh, Hitchhiker! Ah, yes, man. Hitchhiker's fucking buckled. Ah, fuck it. That's it. I've won.